What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well today. I want to talk to you about the crypto Visa card that I have been trying out now for a while. I actually talked about this in a recent video. I'm sure you guys watched that, but I want to continue that conversation today because I'm all about finances, all about making money work for you. And as an adult, these things kind of excite me a little bit. So I want to talk to you about this because this is really cool if you're on the hunt for a Visa card. Honestly, this is an indispensable tool in my everyday life. I use this card pretty much every single day for coffee, even when I'm shopping, online shopping. I get cash back as well as reimbursement on my favorite streaming platforms. And basically what this crypto Visa card is, it's a prepaid card, which broadly speaking, a prepaid card is essentially a debit card. However, with debit cards, those are usually linked to your account. In this case, you can add funds using other bank account transfers as well as other debit or credit cards or cryptocurrency. First things first is there are no annual fees, and the cool thing about this is there are different tiers. I started with the Midnight Blue, which cost $0 to have this card. This one's the Midnight Blue. I upgraded to the Obsidian, which is this black one right here. It is metal and it feels super heavy, super nice. I'm a fan of design, what can I say? And this really does feel like luxury. Back to what I was saying, with the different tiers, for example, this Midnight Blue, which is a pretty popular one, it is $0 to open this up. This one is $400 and you do get 1% cash back, which is still pretty good. You can do Royal Indigo or Jade Green, but you get 2% back. Now with these, you do get 6-month 100% reimbursement off of Netflix subscription and Spotify, which is great. Now with these two cards, you do get 3% cash back, and with the Obsidian 5%, which is great. I mean, that's still really good. And depending on which tier you have, the higher the tier, for example, this one right here, the Obsidian, or even the other ones that I just mentioned, the Frosty White and the Rose Gold, you do get 100% reimbursement every single month off of Amazon Prime. Basically get free Amazon Prime, Netflix, Spotify, as well as earn 10% back or up to $100 in monthly Airbnb reimbursement credit card for the top tier Obsidian holders, even 10% back or up to $50 each month in Expedia reimbursement credit for the top tier card holders. And this can be for a wide variety of consumers. For example, I use this on a day-to-day basis, as I said, for my coffee runs, for shopping, for groceries, you name it. It can serve the payment needs for a wide spectrum of consumers, not just crypto users, so you don't have to have crypto. And yeah, my thing is, why not get cash back as you spend? Another benefit is fee-free ATM withdrawals, depending on which tier you have. Look at the sleek design. This metal card is just dang attractive. If I do say so myself, it's just really attractive. I encourage you to check it out. And again, no annual fees, which is really great. I'll have the link in the info box below. It's super easy to sign up. Just go to the crypto.com app on your app store. I will have the link in the info box below so you guys can check it out. Just go to the crypto.com app on your app store. After that, you'll go through the onboarding process to apply for your card. And it's actually easy to upgrade for your card as well. So like my screen will look different than yours, but it's super simple to do it. So yeah, join crypto.com and use my code JairWoo if you do so. You get $25 sign up bonus if you apply for your crypto.com Visa Metal card. So that's that for today's video. If you're on the hunt for a card, hope you have a great day. And again, links in the info box below. Thank you for watching, and thank you crypto.com for sponsoring today's video. Adios.